Let us solve for x and y in this equation. Let's make this 1 and let's make this 2. Now from 2, let us have x raised to the power 2 minus. Now 4y squared can be reduced to 2 raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 2 equals minus 16. And you can see that this can be also rewritten as 2y all raised to the power of 2 equals minus 16. If you look at this expression, it is likened to a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b then a minus b. That is the difference of two squares. Now let us apply the rule here. Imply that x equals to a, then plus b equals to 2y, then x minus 2y all equals to minus 16. Now if you can see that x minus 2y equals minus 18, so we have x plus 2y minus 8 equals minus 16. Dividing both sides by minus 8, then you have that x plus 2y equals 2, right? Now let us bring back equation 1 here. Minus 2y equals minus 8. Now, if you are to add the two equations together, we have 2s. This will give us 0. Then 2 plus minus 8 to give us minus 6. Dividing both sides by 2. Then our x will give us minus 3. Plug in x to equation 1. Here we have minus 3 minus 2y equals minus 8. So here you have adding 3 to both sides. Minus 2y equals minus 8. Then plus 3. So minus 2y equals minus 5. Then y will give us 5 over 2. And these are the corresponding value of x and y. Thank you and God bless you.